Have you lost where you're going? Hey, my dear friend, are you too tired to love again? You stormed out and took your bag so fast you left your coat. Remember the one you wore that night in Ontario? I still think about those days in the stillness of our home. Have you lost where you're going? Hey, my dear friend, are you too tired to love again?
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little short that I put together for Bluetti. Now this video is sponsored by Bluetti, but as always, I'm going to be sharing my honest thoughts about the hands-free 2 portable backpack power system. I recently tested the bag during a trip to the countryside of Victoria, where I stayed in a tiny house for the first time. With that, let's dive into the bag's features. So my favorite things about the bag's incredibly well built. It's crafted from durable, water-resistant materials that make it feel like it can handle some serious wear and tear. There's plenty of storage space throughout the compartments for clothing, camera gear, and even small camping essentials. The camera gear compartment features zip locking for added security. Power system offers 700 watt of clean energy. You get a range of charging options. It also has quick access zippers on both sides to make it easy for you to unzip and then charge anything on the side of the bag. And of course, the hands-free design makes it super practical when you're riding, hiking, or walking. Now, there's also downsides to the bag, and here's a few things to keep in mind. When fully loaded with gear, clothing, and the power system itself, the bag does get quite heavy. For me, it kind of worked out quite well because the bag rested on the back seat of my bike, so I didn't quite feel the weight that much. But I did remove the power system when I wanted to go out for quick rides. It's an option for you to consider if the weight becomes an issue. This is the 60-liter version. Bluetti also offers a smaller 42-liter version for those who prefer a smaller compact option. Overall, I think the Bluetti Hands-Free 2 is an excellent all-in-one solution for charging your camera gear and all other devices while camping or working remotely. Personally, I plan to use it as a portable charging station for full day shoots. If you're interested in checking this out, I've included a link below in the description. Every purchase through that link helps me support the channel a little bit. So thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Ride safe and I'll see you on the next one.